Do birds go into shock after a cat attack? Have you ever wondered what happens to a bird after a cat attack? It's a serious situation that can lead to shock, which is a critical condition for these delicate creatures. When a bird is caught by a cat, it experiences extreme trauma. This can lead to both physical injuries and psychological distress. Shock in birds is not just a minor issue. It is characterized by signs such as weakness, unresponsiveness, fluffed-up feathers, and irregular breathing. If not treated quickly, shock can be life-threatening. The injuries from a cat attack can be severe, often including open wounds to vital areas like the abdomen, chest, or pelvis. Even if a bird looks fine on the outside, it may have internal injuries or infections caused by bacteria in the cat's saliva. These bacteria can enter through small scratches or during grooming. If left untreated, these infections can lead to a bird's rapid decline, sometimes within just a few days. So, what should you do if you find a bird that has been attacked? First, it is important to handle the bird as little as possible to reduce stress. Place it in a quiet, warm, and humid environment. The ideal temperature for recovery is between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. This helps stabilize the bird's condition. Immediate veterinary care is essential. A veterinarian can assess the bird for injuries and administer antibiotics to combat any potential infections. Without this medical attention, the bird's chances of survival are very low. If you rescue a bird from a cat, take it to a wildlife rehabilitation center or an avian veterinarian as soon as possible. The bird needs a thorough examination to check for injuries and infections. Even birds that seem uninjured may still be in shock or developing infections that can worsen quickly. Surviving a cat attack means overcoming not just the physical injuries but also the shock and risk of infection that follows. Providing a calm and safe space, along with prompt medical intervention, gives the bird the best chance for recovery. Sadly, many birds do not survive these attacks due to the severity of their injuries and the speed at which infections can develop. Understanding the impact of cat attacks on birds is vital for bird conservation efforts. By knowing how to treat these situations, we can help protect our feathered friends and support their rehabilitation.